Hair fall can be stressful, but don't worry. In this video, I'll share simple and effective home remedies to reduce hair fall and promote healthy hair growth. Hair fall solutions at home. Part 1, Understanding hair fall. Before we start with remedies, let's understand why hair fall happens. The most common causes include stress and poor nutrition, hormonal changes like postpartum or menopause, excessive heat styling or chemical treatments, scalp issues like dandruff or product buildup, lack of a proper hair care routine. Part 2, Effective home remedies. 1. Oil massage. Scalp massages improve blood circulation and strengthen hair roots. Use natural oils like coconut oil, castor oil, or almond oil. Warm the oil slightly, apply to your scalp, and massage gently for 10 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera soothes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp, leave it for 30 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. 3. Onion juice. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens hair roots. Apply the juice to your scalp using a cotton ball, leave it for 20 minutes, and wash it off with a mild shampoo. 4. DIY hair mask. Use a protein-rich hair mask to nourish your hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and a teaspoon of honey. Apply this mask from roots to tips, leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse with cool water. This reduces breakage and adds shine. 5. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that reduce hair fall. Brew 2 green tea bags, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. Part 3, Practical hair care tips. Home remedies work best when paired with good hair care habits. Follow these tips. Avoid washing your hair with hot water, it weakens roots. Use a wide-tooth comb to prevent breakage. Reduce heat styling and opt for natural drying. Eat a diet rich in biotin, iron, and protein for healthy hair. Consistency is key to reducing hair fall and achieving healthier hair. Try these remedies, stick to a routine, and let your hair thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.